welcome to our tutorial on how to make caramelized apples. We're not talking about the caramel apples, we're talking about caramelized.
The ingredients for this apple are
An apple, honey, cinnamon, powdered sugar, or sugar. And optional ingredients is whipped cream.
an air fryer is required for this apple.
This is how the apple will look like when you're done. This is how it will look like with whipped cream.
So first you need to cut an apple in half and scoop out the core, but we already did that.
Then you have to grab the cinnamon and pour it over the apple. Pour some cinnamon. Then you need to add powdered sugar.
And then after that, you pour the honey.
You want to make sure it covers most of the apple. There we go.
Now you can move on to the air fryer part. So you need to have 380 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes. Taste tester time. Jeremy and Bobby, I rate this apple.
It's like applesauce.
What would you guys rate this out of 10?
Yeah, like 8.5.
Good?
Yeah, it was good.
Oh wait, Jeremy, did you change your mind for it to be a 9?
Yeah, it's a 9.
You finished the apple, by the way. Okay, time to roll the credits.